Nothing's ever on TV. Screw this. Bored. Still bored. On the phone. Still bored. Feel me? Bored. Oh, well, pizza sounds good. Any money? Let's check the pockets. Nope. Broke. Huh? Yeah, you know how to make pizza. Alright, let's get in the kitchen. Let's show everyone how to make some badass tortilla pizza. You ready? Yeah! Pizza time!
Sweet. So today on class, we're going to keep it chill. I'm going to show Matt how to make some tortilla pizzas today. I mean, why not? When you got your bud here, and you're both feeling in the mood for pizza, and you both are broke, this is the way to do it. You're going to get a big ass tortilla out. We're going to make pizza with that. Alright? Let me show you what's up. Here's a list of ingredients, dog. The list of ingredients are going to be pepperoni, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, big ass king size tortillas, the extra large ones. Know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so you saw your list of ingredients. Now this is what you're going to do with them. Get an easy spoon like this, get your pizza sauce, start off right there in the middle, and you're going to take the butt end of your spoon there, and you're just going to swing it around and round and round, right to the edge of the pizza. If you want to go all the way to the end, go to the end. I like having a little bit of crust, having that nice crispy flaky crust there at the end. It's a good thing. Now, you want to take your mozzarella cheese, just lay that right over the top. Then you want to take your pepperonis, just lay them out accordingly. Bam! Alright? And now we're going to hit the oven. So go ahead and follow me over here to the oven. Alright guys, so pepperoni pizza going into the oven, 400 degrees, only going to take 8 minutes. Alright?
8 minutes later, it's pizza time.
8 minutes is up. That's the time to get this pizza out. Ooh. Ah. Back to the board. Oh, it's hot. Slide your pizza off. Put your pan over. Make sure you have an oven mitt on. Damn the fine pizza knife. Make sure you get your... Found it. So, pizza cutter, if you got a cool one like me, cool. If not, whatever. Use your own pizza cutter. And whoop, and whoop, and whoop, and whoop. And you got pizza. Then you get kids' plates. And because when you're stoned, you don't have to think of anyone else but you and your friend. And you give your friend half. Here you go. And then you take the other kid's plate. This is a good meal for whenever you got the munchies after smoking a couple bowls. Enjoy. Thanks for coming to class. I gave him his own this time so he wouldn't steal mine. Hey, Jeff. Works. Recognize.